Hi, I'm Dr. Jerry Montagna. This session we want to talk about the Warp 10 and the Warp 75 devices and how to use them for migraines. These are the devices that were built by Quantum Devices Incorporated out of Wisconsin. We're going to start with the Warp 10. With a migraine, I will tell you if it's a full-blown migraine, it's not going to get rid of it. It may ease it up a little bit, but it's not going to get rid of it. Best thing to do is get it early before it gets into the full-blown thing. The treatment recommendation for that, for the migraine, is first you come over the temples. You'll hold it there for the minute and a half until the unit is done. Again, you want to go against the skin, and then you do the other temple as well. You would do over the ears. There's a lot of acupuncture spots over the ears. You'd hold it there for a minute and a half, and you would do the other ear as well. And then come up and do the sutures, which is kind of the top of the forehead, for a minute and a half, and then at the crown of the head for a minute and a half. And then you can come down the side of the head and do it. You don't have to overlap. You can be about an inch or so apart. Again, you would hold it for a minute and a half at each spot, particularly the side of the headache zone. If it's all the way across, do that. You can also then come across the back if the headache seems to be favoring the back. But particularly a migraine usually will be one area and you can come in. But you want to get it early. But the temples, the ears, and the top of the head, the sutures, are the most important areas in this type of a condition. With the Warp 75, basically the same thing. It's a little more powerful. Come in and do the temples. The top of the head you can get almost in one session, or you can do it in two. Then you can cover the two sides of the head for a minute and a half, and then don't forget to do the ears. That's the recommendations that we use for migraines. Again, we prefer getting it as early as possible, and then you'll see that it calm down. Once it's highly inflamed, it usually will help some, but it takes a while to get it all out. If you want more information on the Warp, go to warp, warp-light.com. That's warp-light.com. You want to contact me for questions, I'm Dr. Jerry Montagna at drjerry@warp-light.com. I hope this gives you some things to think about. Have a great day, and may God bless.